Hi, my name is Mickey, and I'm going to try this new product that I found online called the OmniShaver. And what it is, it's a razor that goes multi-directional. So when you shave, you go back and forth about 4 times, and that spot gets smooth. So I'm going to try it out. Usually I use regular razors, the Schick or Gillette, I think it is, and it takes me around 15 minutes or so to shave my head. So if this thing works and is a lot quicker, it's going to save me a lot of time in the morning. So I'm going to put some shaving cream on my head, and as you can see, my head, I have a lot of hair. Here goes nothing. And also the cool thing about this is they say that it's self-cleaning, so you don't have to rinse it off after each use. It cleans itself as you go back and forth. That's cool. Okay, let's start the clock. Wow, so far I noticed that it's a lot faster than my the razors that I've used before, so that's pretty cool. I'm already halfway done. Wow. So far so good. Get back of the ear. I'm already almost done, and I'm not even I'm barely 2 minutes in. I don't think I'm even 2 minutes in. This is great. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna rinse it off and see how clean it looks. Wow, that was really fast, a lot faster than usually what it takes me to shave my head. A fraction of the time. It actually took like 3 minutes. So yeah, it's awesome. I would definitely purchase this when it comes out. Saves a lot of time. So thanks for watching, and I highly recommend this for all you guys or girls that want to shave their legs, or guys that like to shave their head. Really great product. Thanks for watching.